start the G. Let's see. Yeah. Battery's definitely dead. I got the M4 out. Putting that in the garage. Anyways, the battery's been dead for a minute. So I'm gonna take it home and put it on the charger. $10 volts. I'm gonna turn this on. I think it's gonna start. Should hold the voltage pretty nice. I have a problem with the pressure gauge, so something with the fuel. Maybe there's a crack in the fuel sending unit, or the filter is clogged or some shit. But holy, this is like dead. Anyways, what happened the last time was at the gas station and tried to start the G. Just kept like cranking, changed out the cam sensor, so hopefully that's good enough. We're gonna try it tomorrow and hopefully we don't have the same issue. I gotta order some stuff from Z1. AFR looks good. It's crazy. I'm using the iPhone, so I'm gonna try something different. We're not gonna use the DJI obviously, but on the iPhone, running the DJI transmitter and the 2 mics. So I got one on the trunk. I'm gonna show you where I put it. So we got it right here. We got one on me. Maybe y'all can see me in the reflection, but I got it right here. I haven't driven this in a minute. This sounds crazy.
Parking lot, yeah. Killing the parking lot every day, yeah. Every day, T-Dot. Every time they see me in that parking lot, man, they say